Hi all, this is Shudati. In this video, I'll try to explain why we are not able to sell. For that, we need to understand some points. Suppose I'm a salesperson. Now first, I am making calls to customers, but he is not responding. Second, even if he is responding, he is not showing any interest. Third, even if he is interested, he is not giving me any appointment. Fourth, even if he gives me appointment, he does not turn up. And fifth, I am conducting webinars also and adding values to customers, adding values to all the people I can connect. But still, I am not able to generate revenue. This has happened to all of us and people surrounding us, right? So even after recurrent efforts, when we are not able to generate sales, we draw a conclusion that sales is not for us. We can be in the marketing field, but not in sales field. Sales is so very tough. Sales is a big no-no. But we do not research to find out the reasons behind those failures. हमको पहले ना रिसर्च करना है, कुछ R&D करना है कि क्यों हम सेल्स नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. कुछ तो इसके पीछे रीज़न होगा ना. सबका तो ऐसा नहीं हो रहा है, बट हम लोगों के साथ ऐसे क्यों हो रहा है. तो फर्स्ट रीज़न ये है कि हम लोगों को कुछ ट्रेनिंग ही नहीं है. सो इफ़ यू आर एन एयर होस्टेस, so you had to undergo this rigorous training to be in this position right now. If you did not have any training, so you would not be able to be an air hostess in your whole life. Similarly, आज हम एक प्रोफेशनल मॉडल हैं, तो हमको पहले वो रैंप वॉक सीखना है, वो भी सीखना है. ऑल दैट थिंग रिक्वायर्ड टू बी अ प्रोफेशनल मॉडल, वो सब कुछ हमें पहले सीखना है, उसके बाद ही हम मॉडल बन सकते हैं. सो वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट वी नीड अ प्रॉपर ट्रेनिंग टू बी अ सेल्स पर्सन फर्स्ट. बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू सेल्स, we never understand that we also need to undergo this rigorous training process to be a salesperson first. प्रॉपर ट्रेनिंग के बगैर अगर हम मार्केट में निकल जाए तो सेल्स नहीं आ सकता. सो विदाउट प्रॉपर ट्रेनिंग we will not be able to understand what questions should we ask to our clients, how to follow up in a systematic manner, and how to close the deal properly. That is the reason we are not able to generate any revenue for us. There are several organizations, they want their employees to make sales for them, but they do not train their employees properly, nor they themselves get trained. That is the reason they are not able to generate revenue for themselves. This is applicable to each and every industry, whether it is tour and travel industry, hotel, garments, restaurants, any industry. They should learn the technique of sales, and they also should learn the technique of repeat buying. Your business will not grow unless you learn the technique of repeat buying. So those were the reasons why we have not been able to generate revenue. In this learning process, in this continuous learning process, we will learn how to make sales, how to make a customer convince for repeat buying, and everything. In this process of continuous learning, all those things will get cleared.